Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in my life. I just woke up. I'm gonna go brush. Actually, it's become a little late because I usually get up at 9:30. Today, I switched off my alarm and I overslept. So it's 11. Let's go brush. I'm all about the regular lifestyle, guys. Nothing like fancy or anything. I'm just gonna use this Pond's clay Pond's clay face wash. See, words are not coming out of my mouth because it's so bad. My brain doesn't function and I'm sitting and vlogging. It looks scary. I'm gonna wash off my face. I don't think anyone will show you this side of their life. Trust me, everyone is gonna go like, we show you the fancy side of life, but this is what we are. Pepsodent use करती है, हम सोच के देख लो. That's the most basic thing. I'm finished brushing and we're right back. See, a lot of people say that, oh, you're wearing nightie at home. It is what it is. I can't fake to wear pajamas and tops and roam around because that's not me. I've been wearing like nighties since I was 12 years and this is how my life is. So I'm showing you my life the way it is. This is how I make my tea in the morning. Half a cup of water. I'm going to take half a cup of milk. Everyone's methods of making tea is different. My method of making tea is different, so don't judge. So I'm going to take normal tea leaf. So I'm going to put this in a vessel. Here. One and a little bit more because I like it a little stronger. Because I don't take sugar. I take good that is jaggery, like these blocks, but I'm not going to take the whole block. I'm going to cut it. I put half of it. I don't use the whole thing. So this is the cardamom. I usually like grind it in the mixer and I keep it. And there's no specific amount of quantity. I just take a little bit in my hand and I sprinkle it over. A little more because I like the taste and fragrance of it. I don't like it in sweets, but in my tea, hell yes, I love it. I'm not a chai person, but I do avoid taking a coffee 2 times a day. So I take coffees per day. Just gonna boil it 3-4 times, like till that boil comes. Tell myself that okay, fine, it is got boiled. This is how we are spoiled in Indian households, legit. Like puris are already made and there is potato, everything like is made. We are so spoiled, legit, so spoiled. Time where I call my mom, talk to her while I eat my breakfast. I'm just gonna call my mom. I'm gonna just check whether I have calls. Yes, I have got a call from one of my friends. Let me call her and talk to her first and then I'll talk to my mom. This is how he comes every day to sleep. Minami.
These are the moments I will always cherish. Like if I keep my hand like this, he comes and puts his head and sleeps. I will miss him so much when I'm moving out. Are you the most handsome cat in this world? Yes, you are. See? Look at him wanting more pets. He loves chin rub. He will keep tilting his head so that he gives me more space to pet. Don't you love it? Don't you love?
I'm quickly going to go in and have a bath. I'm feeling so icky. It's already like 1 o'clock. I had like 2-3 phone calls. I spoke to my mom, I spoke to my friend, and it just time flew by. By 1:30, 2 o'clock, we usually have lunch. So I'll be taking you along with me for lunch also. I don't do any sort of fancy products and all. I just use Medimix soap, and I use Head and Shoulders shampoo, because from the time I've come back from Oman, I don't think any sort of shampoo agrees with my hair, because I get some sort of dandruff, dry, flaky scalp. So Head and Shoulders is my best bet. I'm usually a very big fan of Medimix, so I buy this pack. Buy that pack because it is sensible to buy such a thing instead of continuously going again and again to the store. This will run me for 2 months, 3 months. And the shampoo that I use is this Head and Shoulders shampoo. I use only this. I like the cool one. There's one Cool Menthol, as well as I use the same face wash by Pond's, or else I use Garnier Eucalyptus one. For those girls whose hair gets clogged in the shower, always brush your hair, remove those knots out of your hair, and then go for a head wash, because you know what happens, your excessive breakage of hair, whatever is happening, see the amount of hair fall I'm undergoing. I always do this step before I sit for my shower. This helps not to clog, and it will be clean for the next person who comes in, because we ourselves, even though it's our own hair, we feel little eek to remove it and then throw it away, right? So always brush your hair. I use this wide combed brush. If you're not having this wide comb brush, you can even use the smaller, whatever comb you use, just do this. This really helps a lot, okay? And always wash your hair with cool water. That helps prevent hair fall. It will not weaken the root of your hair. हाँ, मैं तेरी याद में सबको भुला दूँ, दुनिया को तेरी तस्वीर बना दूँ, मेरा बस चले तो दिल चीर के दिखा दूँ.
Mutton and drumsticks curry, tomato and brinjal.
This is normal rice. This is Kerala rice. This is a rasam. You're a Tamilian if you don't have rasam.
Salad, curds.
I also ordered pizza. Why? Because she wanted to eat for so long. See, papad also came. Once my hair is semi-dry, I go in with this Reju Tangle-Free Hair Serum. This is what my doctor had recommended to me, because I had a lot of hair fall. I'm going to take 2 pumps of it. That was a bad idea. 2 pumps of it, rub it between my palms, and then from my mid hair to the end of my tips, I rub it really well. This also prevents split ends. Just ignore the fan noise. It also prevents split ends, and it also smells really good. It has a very mild fragrance. It's not bombarding kind of fragrance. I lie down under the fan for it to air dry, because I don't use hair dryers much, because hair dryer damage your hair more. This is how I lie down with my hair all opened and the fan at the highest speed till my hair is dried. Don't sleep with wet hair, because you might land up with sinus or migraine or headache or whatever it is, and I don't do that. So I forgot to show you people what I wear, right? So this is a very comfortable kurta from Max, and I love pajamas. So loose, it's everyday basic stuff. This is little waterfallen, but other than that, I wear these type of kurtas, and I feel very extremely comfortable in such kurtas, because cotton, and or else I'm most of the time in t-shirts, but today I just felt like wearing a kurta. I know this is not a vlogging camera, okay? You gotta adjust. This is what the camera I use for shooting, and this is the attire that I wear most of the times, and I wear t-shirt and cotton kurtas is what I go for, and any pajama I love. So I saved the best for the last. I had a little bit of rice and rasam, and now I'm gonna have pizza. I'm just gonna like heat it up. And I've been wanting to watch this movie called Abhiman. It's a very old movie of Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Badhuri, and I heard that it's a beautiful movie and you're gonna cry your eyes out. So I've been wanting to watch it. I tried downloading it. That movie didn't get downloaded, so I searched in YouTube and it was there. So I'm gonna watch that movie eating pizza. So stay tuned. Just wanted to talk to you regarding few things regarding influencer. That it is not easy being an influencer in YouTube or Instagram both. Life is very difficult, okay? We lose followers and subscribers, and sometimes it is really bad. This week I lost approximately 15 to 20 followers on Instagram, and in subscriber list I have lost some 10-15 in 28 days. People, I feel that are just playing some sort of games with you or something, because I'll tell you why. Because few people in Instagram also say that, oh, follow for follow, subscribe for subscribe, and they'll follow you for 2-3 days, and after that they unfollow you, thinking that, oh, this girl is any which way following me. I have got a follower, now she's been following me, let me unfollow her. I mean, this is like the dirty games that happens in social media. Play games with me by following, then not following, then unfollowing, then unsubscribing. You know what? I am just want to tell to all of those people out there, karma is there, okay? You're gonna do that to us today, tomorrow someone else will do it to you, and I'm a high believer of that. Whoever want to become an upcoming vlogger or a blogger or a YouTuber or an Instagram influencer, life is very difficult, okay? Be ready for the baggages that you take along with you in this journey. You are going to feel dejected, you're going to feel miserable, you're going to feel like a piece of shit. You are going to feel a lot of things, okay? And one more thing is, your family themselves will make fun of you. Oh, you're having brands that you're working with. What kind of meetings? Like, they'll make fun of you in a lot of ways, and they'll think that, just because you're a small scale artist, they will make fun of you. Few people are very fortunate that their family supports them. Many people's families don't support them. I just want to say that if you want to pursue or follow this dream of yours, follow it. You have to take up this career with a pinch of salt. It's not easy. You're highly lucky your family will support you, but if you're a person whose family is not supporting you, they will taunt you, they will talk nonsense about you, everything. But just wait, wait for that moment in your life. It might not come now, it might come 10 years later also. You will become famous, you will start growing your channel and you will have a lot of subscribers and you'll get a lot of followers. Then let your success do the talking. Tomorrow, if you are going to become successful in life, those are the people who will tell that, oh, she's my sister, oh, she's my daughter, oh, she's my niece. You don't need your family's support or anything. You need your parents' support. You just make them sit down and tell them that this is what you want to pursue in life, this is what you want to take up as your career. But what I would suggest is you don't leave your job for YouTube or becoming an Instagram influencer. No, do this side by side once your YouTube channel gets monetized, and once you have reached a level where you can live out of the earnings of YouTube, then you leave your job. So always be wise in the decisions you make and then go forward, because at the end people are gonna know your worth one day. You just be persistent, consistent, and do your work, give your level best. I'm telling you, if you're a person who's doing 9 to 5 jobs, come back in the night and shoot, or else Sundays you are free, just shoot 2 videos, upload videos per week, like select a date like Monday, Saturday, like that. Just upload a video, start doing do like that side by side. If you're having a job, if you're a student, you can do this side by side as your career. Give equal importance to your studies. Don't bunk lectures just to do this, or don't bunk your college just to do this. Study as well as do YouTube side by side, so that by the time you pass out or something, you have an established career, and God forbid your YouTube is not growing that much, you can just continue with the degree that you have. So that is what I wanted to tell to people who are upcoming.
Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seat belts. दिल थाम कर बैठिए इस शानदार महफिल में आपको
Guys, I just finished watching the movie. Oh my god. That was such an emotional movie, man. I highly recommend Amitabh Bachchan's and Jaya Bachchan's movie. This is that Abhiman. I think it's 1973. This fan makes a lot of noise. Whew, it was emotionally draining. I think I'm going to grab a cup of coffee now. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. My head is splitting, okay, because I cried my eyes out. Before I can grab my cup of coffee, I just wash my face. I wash my face thrice a day, like morning, evening and night. So yeah, just because I like to be clean, and you tend to like accumulate a lot of oil. I'm gonna take this Garnier now. Scrubbing beads that it has is very mild. There is something there but not there. It's like very mild. Like if you can see, I'll just show in the camera. So let's go ahead and make some coffee. So that is a filter coffee machine. We put powder in that and water in that, so it keeps going into that and making filter coffee decoction. This is the decoction over here. This is what you get. So I'm just going to pour that into my mug.
Hello, my baby.
So I hope you guys liked my part 1 of day in my life. It was fun doing this, and I couldn't fit entire day in one video because it was going up to 40 minutes because I gave my gyans in middle. Comment down what was your most favorite part of the vlog and what did you find the most funniest. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. It'll mean the world to me. I will see you all in my next vlog. Mwah, bye.